Is Aircela really the future of clean energy innovation, or is it just another overhyped promise that sounds too good to be true? Based in New York City, Aircela is a clean energy startup that claims to produce fossil-free, engine-ready gasoline by capturing CO directly from the air and converting it into liquid fuel using renewable electricity. The idea sounds like something straight out of science fiction, a clean, sustainable way to fuel our cars and machines while also reducing atmospheric carbon. But how realistic is it really? While the concept is undeniably intriguing and potentially revolutionary, there are serious questions surrounding its practicality. The process of direct air capture and fuel synthesis, though scientifically possible, requires a tremendous amount of renewable energy, which not only raises concerns about cost but also about efficiency. Critics argue that the energy input may outweigh the energy output, making the entire process counterproductive at scale. Moreover, skeptics point out that just because something works in a lab or a controlled setting doesn't mean it can be scaled economically or effectively in the real world. There's also little clarity on the long-term environmental impact, infrastructure requirements, and how this technology compares to more established green alternatives like electric vehicles or hydrogen fuel. Supporters of Aircela see it as a bold and necessary leap towards solving the climate crisis, while detractors believe it may be more of a high-tech distraction than a practical solution. The company has generated buzz and curiosity, but so far there's limited publicly available data to back up the hype. In this video, we look at how the technology works, examine the results it claims to deliver, explore expert opinions, and dig into the challenges that could prevent Aircela from becoming a mainstream energy solution. The verdict? It's neither a clear scan nor a guaranteed breakthrough. It's a risky bet in the evolving game of clean energy, filled with promise but weighed down by serious doubts.